Hello, Chris. You claim to not know where I am. You think I'm in some place called Bahrain, which I don't know what a Bahrain is. Sounds like a country for Persian sheep or something like that. But the point is, Chris, you are lying. You know exactly where I am, and you know exactly where Kevin Miller is. We are so far in your dome piece that our hands are sticking out your ears, waving goodbye to your rear while we steamroll you in this tournament. That's right, Chris. I will bottom deal my way to the top if it means taking you down. Team Dogs minus Arfarf, wherever you are. By the way, Arfarf, if you're looking at this, Kevin and I have been searching for you for the last, 13 years or so, I'd really like to have a chat with you if you see this. Anyway, back to you, Chris. My point is, Kevin and I will not be defeated in this tournament. So you better say your prayers, take your, hydroxychloroquine, and eat your mother flippin' cookies.